Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University, presented by United States Stove Company. Always refer to your owner's manual for maintenance and operational guidelines. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you. In today's video, we will show you how to properly replace the auger motor in your KP130, VG130, or AP130 pellet stove. For today's project, you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver and needle-nosed pliers. 1. Before you begin, allow the stove to go through the shutdown process. Once it's cool and all components have turned off, unplug the stove. 2. Remove the screws that hold the back access panel in place and set the panel aside. 3. Reach your hand around the auger motor and feel for the loop of the hairpin. Grab hold of the loop and pull the hairpin slowly while supporting the auger motor with your free hand. Once the hairpin is removed, the auger motor can be lowered away from the auger shaft. 4. Carefully unplug the 2 wires that are connected to the auger motor. 5. Plug these same wires onto the terminals of the new auger motor. It does not matter which wire is attached to either terminal. 6. While supporting the auger motor, lift it into place and line up the motor shaft with the auger shaft. 7. Line up the hole in the motor shaft with the hole in the auger shaft and reinsert your auger motor. 8. Replace the back access panel and insert the screws that hold it in place. 9. Plug the stove back in, press the on button, and check for proper operation. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at www.usstove.com or give us a call at 1-800-750-2723.